Hi, so this week we are going to be reading our breaking news about the world news. The article is McDonald's Thank You Meals. First responders and healthcare workers can get free meals. They can get the free meals at McDonald's restaurants. They can get the free meals from April 22nd until May 5th. First responders and healthcare workers help others. McDonald's wants to thank them. First responders and healthcare workers go to McDonald's. They must show badges or wear uniforms. They can get one free meal each day. They can get breakfast, lunch, or dinner. Each free meal includes a thank you note. All right, so let's go back and talk about the article. So, first responders and healthcare workers can get free meals. First responders include police officers, firefighters, EMTs, so the people that are who work with the ambulances. Healthcare workers are people that work in hospitals, and other places where people are taking care of you. They can get free meals at McDonald's. And so it's already over by the time we read this article, but it did happen from April 22nd until May 5th. And they're doing this to thank, McDonald's wants to thank healthcare workers because healthcare workers and first responders are helping others. So the way they do it is first responders like police officers, firefighters, etc., healthcare workers, they go to McDonald's, they show their badge, they always have a badge, or they wear their uniform, and they get one free meal each day. It could be lunch, breakfast, dinner, and then McDonald's has a little thank you note for them to thank them for helping us during this time where there's a lot of uncertainty because of the coronavirus. So let's answer some questions. Let me scroll up a little bit so you guys can see my answers. Okay, number one. What can first responders and healthcare workers get free at McDonald's? Cookbooks, cakes, or meals? What do they get for free? They get free meals. So maybe a quarter pounder, maybe a filet of fish, maybe chicken nuggets, all those good stuff at McDonald's. Number two, how many free meals can first responders and healthcare workers get each day? So every day they can get how many? 1, 4, or 5? Get 1.
1.
Maybe for breakfast, maybe for lunch, or maybe for dinner. Not all 3, but 1. And number 3, what does each free meal include? A present, money, or a thank you note? A thank you note.
Thank you note.
So just to review, first responders and healthcare workers can get meals for free at McDonald's. First responders and healthcare workers get one free meal each day. Each free meal includes a thank you note.